Whether you're sleeping on the ground or in a hammock on your next camping trip, let's get comfortable with this sleeping pad. I'm hoping to accomplish two things. One, to get me off the ground and to be comfortable, or two, it's to slip it into this hammock right here and to have a comfortable night's sleep. And that's just exactly what I'm gonna do. Now, if you've ever slept in a hammock before, you know that in the middle of the night, this thin fabric right here is not going to keep you warm at all. In fact, there's a draft and it gets kind of chilly even if you're in a sleeping bag. So a lot of times you'll get a pad or what they call an underquilt, but it's not that cold out here for an underquilt. Put that in there. Personally, I'm not going to be sleeping in areas where I need an underquilt. I'm not going 15 degrees below zero or 20 degrees below zero, whatever. But this does keep the hammock so much more comfortable because now it's stretched out. You're not like a taco, you know, your legs aren't up in the air or anything like that. So I love just bringing a sleeping pad into the hammock, just like this, and it fits really well. I love that. So the unique thing about this sleeping pad right here is it's foam on the top. Right here, you got a thin layer of foam and then air underneath. So you can pump some air into it. And guess what? It has a self pump. That's the coolest thing. Well, you're probably not taking this backpacking because weight matters. You're taking this hammocking, and if you want to sleep outside under the stars, this is a perfect way to do that. This setup right here, super comfortable, super relaxing. When I'm camping outdoors, I love hammock camping. It is super comfortable. Get me off the ground. I don't love sleeping on rocks. I don't love sleeping on twigs. No, thank you. All right, let me show you this real quick. The other things you're gonna get with this sleeping bag, other than the electric pump, you're also gonna get a few accessories. So if you wanted to pump up other things like toys or pool things, or if you're at the beach, it's a multiple function utility, right? This just stays in your sleeping pad and this stays in the bag that it came with, so that when you roll it back up, you put it in here, you have a bag with a carrying case right there. So again, you're not putting this in a backpack. You're not backpacking with it, but you are camping with it, right? When you pull up to your campsite and you want to stay in a hammock, this is going to be perfect for that. There's not much surface area to this, not a whole lot of air pump. You could actually do this with your mouth, but why? Right? So you got inflate, deflate, right? Inflate on this side, deflate on this side, so you can turn it around and deflate the mattress, which I'll show you in a second. But we will slap that in there. And we are inflating that mattress just like that. And you can see it is starting to get a lot thicker right there. So again, air on the bottom, foam on top. That is really cool. And then these go back in the bag because I don't usually use those. Look at that, self-inflate, you're good to go. Just to turn that off, just like that. And I always put this on my feet in because I don't want my head up here or anything like that. Now, this is my favorite part of the demonstration. You can already see that this hammock is no longer in hammock shape. It's not banana, it's not tacoing on you. It's completely flat. I'm gonna pull this up just a little bit higher for my head, and here we go. I mean, you can sit in it like this. Don't forget to take your shoes off, or my wife will be mad at me and you if you don't take your shoes off. Oh, yes. You can use it as a normal hammock. But why? Why would you want to use it as a normal hammock when you can use it as a sleeping pad hammock? We just scoot it up a little bit. You got to get in here and you got to feel this for yourself, because it definitely takes that hammock to now you're hammocking on a mattress. That's probably the best way that I can say it, is I have air underneath me. I'm swinging, I'm hammocking on a cloud. That is the best way to put it. So I wanted to just level up. Yeah, this is going to work great, and it does if you're in a tent, sleeping bag. It's a personal use, not a twin, not a double, anything like that. It's just a personal use, but it's going to get you off the ground. You're not going to feel those rocks, twigs, or anything. But if you want to level up your experience, get just a quick and easy hammock to pair along with this. And if you're going to take those Sunday lazy afternoon naps, yeah, you owe me because you're welcome. This is freaking awesome.